At least 15 people, including 14 security personnel, have been killed in an attack on a joint police and military checkpost in Pakistan's northwestern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. The attack took place early on Friday in Tang district, according to the military's media wing Inter-Services Public Relations. ISPR blamed the banned Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan or TTP, which the state refers to as Fitna al-Khawarij. The military said the attackers initially attempted to breach the checkpost perimeter but were repelled by security forces. ISPR said 15 attackers were killed during the ensuing gunfight. The figure could not be independently verified. According to the statement, the assailants then rammed an explosives-laden vehicle into the checkpost perimeter wall, causing extensive damage. 12 military personnel, 2 police officers, and a government official formerly associated with the Forest Department were killed in the blast. ISPR said a clearance operation was underway to locate any remaining attackers in the area. It added that Pakistan's counter-terrorism campaign known as Azm-e-Istehkam would continue. The military also alleged that the violence was foreign-sponsored but did not present evidence in its statement. The attack comes amid a sharp increase in violence across southern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Last week, ISPR said security forces killed 24 suspected fighters during operations in Bannu district and surrounding areas. Those figures were also based on the military's account. The operations followed what authorities described as an increase in attacks on police and civilians, including suicide bombings. In May, 15 police officers were killed when an explosives-laden vehicle struck the Fateh Khel police post in Bannu. 3 other officers were injured. Tang and Bannu are both close to Pakistan's border with Afghanistan, where militant activity has intensified since the Taliban returned to power in 2021. Islamabad has repeatedly accused the Afghan Taliban government of allowing the TTP to operate from Afghan territory. Kabul denies the allegation. According to the Center for Research and Security Studies, fatalities from violence in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa rose from 1,620 in 2024 to 2,331 in 2025. Friday's attack is another indication of the growing security challenge confronting the province, with heavily fortified positions increasingly targeted through coordinated assaults and vehicle-borne explosives.